Hello. Today we are looking at how to install Baldi's fun new School Ultimate on a Chromebook. Firstly, we will turn on Linux apps. To do this we will go to our system settings and click on the About Chrome OS section on the left panel. Under the Developers section, choose to set Linux up. Turn on Linux. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next step, which is to download the Linux installation package from their website. Now we will open it in our file manager. Move the installer to the Linux folder. Now we will continue to the next part of the installation process, which is to run several commands in a terminal, which will install the game. All the commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift, and V together. This command will unzip the game. Press Enter. Now we will make the game executable as a program. To launch the game we need to run the last command every time in a terminal. Let's do it now. Enjoy!